smashing me.
Hey, you're doing all this.
I'm not moving.
Are you done kicking?
He did it.
Jonathan,
What? What's the number?
873-8249.
He has my car key.
717-7447.
Well, hey, before you guys take off, he has the key. And then, do you have your ID?
What are they putting? I don't have my ID. I told him.
Call the number.
Okay.
I am.
I'm just going to give you your
Bitch.
info, and then we're just going to make sure the car is...
Oh yeah, I bought the car July, and I haven't put it in my name yet.
Okay, that's fine.
It's Brianna, but I have, yeah.
That should be fine. Brianna, Brianna.
Yeah, and I think it's Molina or something. I have all the paperwork at home.
What's your last name?
Cobb, C-O-B-B.
It's Brianna Cobb?
No, my name's Jasmine.
Oh, Jasmine.
Right.
Jasmine.
Brianna is the person I bought the
Gotcha.
car from.
Okay. Jasmine Cobb. And then what's your birthday?
7582.
Why are you guys doing all this?
Are you guys on probation or anything
No,
like that?
I'm not.
Oh, wow.
Jason, I think, is on probation, but he's not.
Please don't do me like this.
Parole, I think it's just probation.
Please don't do me
Okay.
like this.
I'm just going to make sure you guys don't have any...
Ow, that shoulder! Jesus. Ow. Did you call those two numbers? Did you get those two numbers?
Yes, I got him.
Please call somebody.
That's Jason Hopkins.